Here's how you can enable the NFC wireless settings on your Galaxy Watch 8 or the Watch Ultra, and this is with One UI 8.0. If you're viewing the clock face at this moment here, use the quick access by pulling down from the top center and go ahead and navigate the toggles, and you're looking for the one that has this giant N, which is the NFC. Now, if for some odd reason that just doesn't happen to be there, you can always tap on the plus right there and go ahead and add any of the available toggles that might not be in the quick access yet, all right, and then add it in. If that's not there now, you can go ahead and go into the settings by tapping on this toggle here, this one right there. And when you're here, you're going to go to where it says connections. And from here, go down until you see NFC, okay? So you'll see NFC. You can turn it on from here or go into it, turn it on, and also search for the different options it has to offer for you, okay? And that is basically it, my friends. And if this guide helped you out, like and sub.